Okay, guys, adjusted kitchen, appliance garage in the corner, 30 inches by 30 inches. We'll have maybe 6 inches of countertop in front here, and that door width is 25 inches wide. And from the back corner of that appliance garage to the front is 30 inches. The granite will end right about there, so about 6 1/4 inches of granite in front, or countertop in front of the appliance garage. Just a little space in here, but I don't have a big issue with that. So that was the only change in that corner. To the left of the window, that appliance garage is removed, and just an upper cabinet here to keep that countertop free. And the appliance lift has been taken out, and I just put them, I'm swinging around here too fast, put both of them in the back of this island side by side. If they're going to be panel ready, those won't look bad putting them there. It's just tough to find 30 inches, and I really don't want to disrupt the look of the cabinets back here. It's just a nice symmetrical uniform look. There should be glass, but that's what we've got for the list that I was sent. And jumping over to the master with a couple of those changes. Mirror, still the knee space. You can put can lights on the bottom of this light box. So these are 12 deep. This is 14 deep. This steps out. Right now we have these as slab doors, but the sink cabinet steps out. These are at an angle. And that side piece right there is 6 inches, and this is 9 inches deep. And it's all, there'll be 45 in the crown here, and it'll just run across. There isn't a step out with that upper cabinet as opposed to here because of the 45-degree angle. And looking at the other side, pretty much the same thing as the makeup vanity. Sink. For towels, this is 12 deep, 12 deep, 14. And these guys are 60 inches tall. So the top of this will be about 8 feet, a little over 8 feet by the time you add the crown. All right, let me know what you think of that.